Once in a while, a leader rises who changes everything. Someone who reminds us that politics can still be kind, fair, and full of hope. One such person is Zohran Mamdani, a young leader making India proud on the world stage. This is Sasi from Phylin Media sharing with you the story of Zohran Mamdani. Zohran was born in Uganda in 1991. His father Mahmoud Mamdani, a famous teacher and a thinker, and his mother Meera Nair, a well-known Indian filmmaker popular for her films like Salam Bombay, Mississippi Masala and Monsoon Betty. Zohran grew up in New York City where he saw how hard life can be for working families, especially immigrants. Instead of choosing an easy job, he started helping people as a housing counselor, working with tenants who struggled to pay rent. That's when he realized to make a real change he had to enter politics. Zohran Mamdani joined the Democratic Socialists of America and decided to run for the New York State Assembly. In 2020, he stood in elections against Arevalo Simotas, a strong and inexperienced politician. Many thought he couldn't win, but he did it, and it became one of the biggest surprises of New York politics. Since then, Zohran has been fighting for the ordinary people. He works to make housing more affordable, healthcare more fair, and electricity greener and cheaper. He speaks for workers, renters, and young people, those whose voices often go unheard. Zohran Mamdani's rise to becoming New York City's mayor was not easy. He faced harsh opposition from powerful political leaders and some very wealthy business people. Many tried to stop him because of his progressive ideas like affordable housing, free public buses, and taxing the rich. They feared that his policies would change the city too much. Some top politicians like former Governor Andrew Cuomo strongly criticized him, especially over his views on policing and his support for Palestinian rights. Even big business groups spent over $40 million trying to defeat him, showing how serious they were about blocking his win. One of the toughest challenges Mamdani faced was false accusations about his US citizenship. Although he is a naturalized citizen since 2018, some Republic lawmakers sent letters demanding the government to take away his citizenship. They wrongly claimed that he lied during his naturalization or had ties to terrorism because of his political beliefs. These claims were baseless and widely seen as attempts to discredit him unfairly. Mamdani was also targeted by far-right activists like Laura Loomer, who made hateful anti-Muslim comments and even claimed that New York City could face another terrorist attack like 9/11 if he became mayor. These kinds of threats made Mamdani's team consult lawyers to ensure his safety and rights. President Donald Trump publicly called Mamdani a communist lunatic and warned that his leadership would be a disaster for New York. Trump supporters echoed these sentiments, spreading fear and misinformation about Mamdani's background and politics. Despite all these attacks, Mamdani's victory showed the strength of grassroots support and the desire for new leadership in New York City. He became the youngest mayor in over a century and the first Muslim mayor of New York City, proving that change is possible even in the face of fierce opposition. Now Zohran Mamdani has been elected as mayor of New York City, becoming the first Muslim and Indian origin leader to hold that post, a moment that inspires millions across the world. Today he is seen as a symbol of hope and courage. For India, he is a matter of pride, showing how an Indian origin leader can bring positive change even in another country. And for the world, he shows that politics can still be about kindness, equality, and justice. Zohran's vision is clear and practical. He plans to tax the richest New Yorkers with a millionaire tax to fund programs that help ordinary residents. Use the funds for free or cheaper public transportation, including permanently eliminating bus fares. Freeze rents and build hundreds of thousands of affordable rent-stabilized homes to tackle housing costs. Support universal childcare and provide free pre-kindergarten for young children. Advocate for stronger tenant protections and crack down on bad landlords. Work on climate action by promoting green energy, reducing fossil fuel use, and making schools and public spaces greener. Oppose discrimination and support immigrant rights, LGBTQ protections, and civil rights broadly. Raise the minimum wage and increase corporate taxes to reduce wealth inequality. Zohran's Mamdani story inspires millions worldwide. He proves that with courage and heart, even the biggest obstacle can be overcome. He reminds us that true power comes not from wealth or fame, but from standing up for what's right. Here's to Zohran Mamdani, a leader of progressive politics and a shining symbol of hope for a better future.